In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Tweezer top bearish indicator, quick and easy. This is a simple candlestick pattern tool inside Tradingview that helps you spot potential bearish reversals on your chart. If you're new to Tradingview or to candlestick patterns, don't worry. We'll go through this step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open up your Tradingview chart for any market you want to analyze. It can be stocks, forex, crypto, or indices. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is open, look towards the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It's usually near the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This will open the full Indicators and Strategies window, which is where all built-in and custom tools are found. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type the word Tweezer. You don't need to type the full name of the pattern. Just Tweezer is enough for Tradingview to filter the list for you. After a second, you should see several results related to Tweezer patterns. From the list of results, look for the one called Tweezer top bearish. This is the specific bearish reversal pattern we want to add to the chart. When you see it listed, simply click on Tweezer top bearish once. As soon as you do, the indicator will be added directly to your chart. You'll notice that Tradingview now highlights any Tweezer top bearish patterns it detects on your price candles. If you want to customize how it looks, you can hover over the indicator name in the chart legend and click on the settings icon. There, you can adjust colors, visibility on different time frames, or any style options that are available, so it fits your personal charting style and is easy for you to read. Once you're comfortable with how it appears, you're all set. You've successfully added the Tweezer top bearish indicator, and it will automatically mark those bearish patterns for you as new candles form. If you'd like to upgrade your Tradingview experience and unlock more features, make sure to use the affiliate link provided in the description to sign up for Tradingview Pro. It supports the channel and gives you access to additional tools, more indicators per chart, and an overall smoother trading workflow.